Hi everyone. This video goes into a little more explanation about the strategy presentation videos that are due in week 4 and week 6. For these videos, you're going to be using these texts that Janet Allen has written. Tools for teaching content literacy, and also more tools for teaching content literacy. Here is our strategy sign up. Please note that you are to use nonfiction text for this assignment. It doesn't have to be from a textbook, but it has to be nonfiction. The strategies that you have to choose from are listed here in the left margin. The next column tells you which flip chart it's from. Is it from Tools or More Tools? This number tells you that list group label is the third strategy in the flip chart tools. It also tells you whether you are selecting a pre-reading strategy, a during the reading strategy, or a post-reading strategy. Now, you have one presentation due in week 4. Then you're going to do another presentation with a different strategy for week 6. If you want to sign up for both at the same time, that's fine. Just put a 4 or a 6 beside your name so I know which one is going to be in week 4 and which strategy you're going to do for week 6. This is an example of a strategy from More Tools for Teaching Content Literacy. This is called Content Pass. What Janet Allen does that is so wonderful, she tells you what is Content Pass. So she tells you that strategy. She explains what it is. Why would you use Content Pass in a classroom? She answers that question. How would I use Content Pass in my classroom? And she answers that question. She tells you exactly what to do for this strategy presentation lesson. Bear with me 1 second. In the candidate guide, it also talks about the strategy presentations. Now, these aren't going to be lengthy lessons, but they're going to be longer than 2 or 3 minutes. Make sure that you use nonfiction content. It does not have to be from a trade book, a textbook, as I said before. Before you video, you need to have parental consent of the student. You can either do an individual student, a small group, or whole group, and highlight in that video the strategy. You're also going to include some look-fors that I need to be looking for when I view your strategy presentation video. This is the rubric which you will find in week 4 that I will be using for week 4 and week 6 strategy presentation. I'm looking to see if you named the strategy that you are teaching. Have you given the purpose of the strategy? Have you thoroughly explained and gave an example of the strategy and modeled the strategy. Did it involve the students completely by having them engaged in using the strategy? Did you have permission? And is your video uploaded correctly? So these are things that I'm looking for in your video. If you have questions about this assignment, please ask. I can't help you if I don't know you have questions. I look forward to viewing your presentations. Thank you.